Hello children, welcome to my mathematics class. I am Jyoti Sinha and today I am going to teach you about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. In previous classes you learnt about what are decimal numbers and what are decimal fractions and converting decimal fraction into decimal number and decimal number into a decimal fraction, and then you learnt about like and unlike decimals. So after knowing all these things you can easily add and subtract decimal numbers. So for decimal numbers, adding decimal numbers, what you have to do, first of all, when we add like decimals, we arrange the digits in the place value columns. Then the decimal part should come one below the other in columns. Add the addends just as we add whole numbers. So this is how we add like decimals. But if there are unlike decimals, then what we will do? We will convert the decimals into like decimals by adding zeros to make it at the same decimal places. And after converting into the like decimals, what we do? We arrange the digits in the place value columns and decimal point should come one below the other, and then we add the addends. Like here it is added. So after knowing this, you can easily add the decimal numbers. After knowing the decimal addition of decimal numbers, you have to learn about properties of decimal numbers. So in properties of decimal numbers, what we will learn? The properties of decimal numbers are same as we learned the properties of addition of whole numbers. Like first property of addition, if we change the order of the addends, the sum remains the same. Means in any order, if we add this, either this second number is added at, kept at the first place, or the first digit is kept at the second place, the sum remains the same. And the second property is grouping of the addends. The sum remains the same even after changing the groupings of the addends. In any way, if we group the numbers, we get the same sum. And the third property is, if 0 is added to any decimal number or a decimal number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. And these are the properties of addition. Now after the properties of addition, we will learn how to subtract decimal numbers. So for subtracting decimal numbers, we follow the same rule as we did in addition of decimal numbers. So in subtraction of decimal numbers, what we do? For like decimals, we arrange the digits in the place value column. The decimal point should come under one below the other in column, and we subtract just as we subtract the whole numbers. This is the process of subtracting like decimals. But if we have unlike decimals, what we do? First of all, we convert into the decimals into like decimals, and then we arrange the digits in the place value columns and decimal point one below the other. Then we subtract subtrahend and minuend. So this is the way how we subtract decimal numbers. After knowing addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, you can easily subtract and add this and practice this. So practice these type of questions, and in next class we will learn about multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day.